welcome back to my channel. So today's video is how to decorate plain diyas for Diwali. Take plain diyas, color them using acrylic colors. Now color it at the back with the same color. Now decorate the diya using different decorative beads as shown. Do recreate this DIY and post it on your social media using hashtag Diwalog by OddMix. Also tag us to get feature on our Facebook page and Insta handle. And that's it for today's video. Your beautiful diyas are ready. If you like this video, please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Till then, bye bye.